Hello everyone, in this video we're going to multiply numbers that are written in scientific notation and we're going to find their product. So in order to multiply two numbers in scientific notation, we're going to use the commutative and associative properties of multiplication as well as rules for exponents, and we're going to group the powers of 10 together. So a brief example of this before we jump into another couple set of examples. 4 times 10 to the power of 2, and we're going to multiply this by 2 times 10 to the power of 3. What we're going to do is we're going to combine these terms together and then those terms together. We're going to multiply 4 and 2, and then multiply these powers of 10 together. So from here, we simply multiply 4 and 2. And then for here, we just add the exponents. So 10 to the second times 10 to the third would be 10 to the fifth. This would be our solution, and we don't have to do anything else because this number is in between 1 and 10. And that's the key here. Every single time that we get our product, the first number should be between 1 and 10. Let's take a look at a couple of examples where we have to do a little bit of rewriting in the end. So here we have 8.7 times 10 to the power of 4 being multiplied by 2.5 times 10 to the power of negative 12. So once again, group these together and then group these together. There, just so you can see. So combining 8.7 and 2.5 together, and then 10 to the power of 4 and 10 to the power of negative 12 together. So we're going to multiply these numbers. And then we're going to multiply those numbers. So this multiplication gives me 21.75. And then here, again, add the exponents. 4 plus negative 12 gives me negative 8. So this is not our final answer because this number is not in between 1 and 10. So in order to do that, we're going to move the decimal point over exactly one space. And as a result, we're going to have to change this exponent, and we're going to add 1 to this exponent. Why we're adding 1 is because the result of this product was large. The product was large, meaning it was bigger than 10. So it's 2.175 times 10, now to the power of negative 7. Whenever you have that large number answer, meaning bigger than 10, add 1 to the exponent in this case. Let's work out one more. Let's do 7 times 10 to the power of 5. And we're going to multiply this by 5 times 10 to the power of 3. Okay, 7 times 5, and then 10 to the power of 5, 10 to the power of 3, adding those together gives me the power of 8. So once again, this number is not in between 1 and 10, but we can make it in between 1 and 10 by moving our decimal point one spot over. And again, this number was large, so we moved it over one spot, which means this exponent will increase in value by 1. This is the final answer. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.